So did you ever wish you had a personal assistant that is always with you and never misses a beat? Imagine a Mac accessory that not only takes meeting notes for you, but also summarizes them, translates them on the fly, and even double down as a docking station for all the ports you need. And the best part is, it's designed to stay right on your desk, making your workspace even smarter without you even realizing it. And if all of this sounds good to you, then let me introduce you to the right product. This is a ChatGPT powered audio dock with AI features, which lets you record your meetings, phone calls, pretty much anything that you want to record and transcribe them into your organized points, which gives you freedom to focus on the conversation without missing any crucial part of the meeting. Now, before we talk about all of its features, let's quickly talk about its design. So the overall look of this dock has this retro feel to it, kind of like those old style telephones, which gives this device and your desk a bit of a retro character. It comes in 2 different colors to choose from. Now, for all the ports, it has a total of 11 ports, mainly on the back side of it and few on the left side, which makes connecting everything easy and keeps your desk cable free from the front side. So on the left side, you get this USB-C with 10 GB of speed and fast charging, a micro SD and a full-size SD card slots that you can use to import or export all of your files to your Mac. Now on the back side, you get a power port itself, a USB-C to connect your MacBook, 2 4K HDMI ports that has a 60 Hz of display support, another USB-C and 2 USB-A for data transfers, and it also comes with this Ethernet port, which I think it's a good amount of ports that you will need to connect all of your other accessories to your MacBook on your desk setup. Now, one thing that I found out during my testing is that you cannot connect your Apple Studio display straight through this device using USB-C connection, so you just have to connect your display straight to your MacBook or Mac Mini separately, which isn't really an issue at all, especially if you're using monitors with HDMI support. Now, next to that is a bidirectional noise cancelling slider, which means that it not only removes background noise from your end, but it also does it to the person you are calling to, which is great feature in case if meeting is in noisy environment. And here's the little demo.
Into like other people, so whether that's collaboration or if I am teaching a younger designer some of the things that I have learned over the years, I'm finding that to be really important.
Now on the front top, there are 5 buttons in total, such as picking up the call, ending the call, muting your mic, and if you hold this top button, then it starts recording your meeting, and when you single press it, it will create a marker indicating that it's an important part of the conversation. Now the dial itself controls the volume up and down, and if you press it once, then it controls the play and pause of any media that you are playing. If you don't want to use the speaker that is inbuilt, you can just put this in your ear and start making your call. And it also features a couple of buttons where the first one on the top, if you press it twice, then it will switch the audio from the Bluetooth headset itself to the speaker and vice versa. And let's say if you're recording your call or meeting, then if you press this top button once, then it's going to do the same thing as if it's highlighting the main points. And this whole thing is attached using this magnetic pin on the side, so you don't have to keep them all together. But let's say if you want to pair it quickly and you want to charge the headset, then you can just put them together and they stick just like that, and it will start pairing and charging. Now let's take a look at how everything works and how to set it up for yourself. So in order to use this, there are a few different ways to go about it. Let's say if you're doing a Zoom meeting using your Mac, then you can just simply select HiDock as your microphone and speaker options, and that's pretty much all you need to do. And once you are ready to record, you can just hold this button and it will start recording the meeting for you. Another way you can use this device is that if you're watching an informational YouTube video or a long podcast and you want to summarize everything for you, then you can just select the HiDock as your main speaker in your MacBook or your any computer, and that's pretty much it. And now all the audio that will play in YouTube video will be recorded and it's going to summarize everything for you. And if you want to use this wirelessly for your FaceTimes or any WhatsApp calls, then you can just use your iPhone, and the way you do it is by connecting this device via Bluetooth to your iPhone, and you are pretty much all set. As long as this device is selected as your main speaker for your FaceTime call, it's going to record everything as soon as you press that button. Now let me quickly show you how to access all the recordings and summarize access them using ChatGPT. So first thing that you'll do is go to their website. Now once you have that software installed on your MacBook, then simply just open it, and once you open the software, you will see your device connect right here, and that way you know your device is all ready to go. Now let's say you have recorded material that you already have before you purchase this device and want to summarize all of it, then you can just upload all of your recordings manually by clicking on upload and then just selecting the right file of yours. Now all the recordings that you did using this device will be stored locally because it has an inbuilt storage of 32 gigabytes, so you don't have to worry about getting it leaked on cloud or anyone else having access to it. Now the way you access all of your files stored and recorded on this device is by clicking on this HiDock icon, and once you do that, you'll see all of the files you have recorded so far and all the languages that you used, and you also have this different templating style as well. So let's say if your meeting was kind of like a project kickoff, then you can structure your meeting and summarize it in that kind of form. Or let's say if it was like a business call, then the AI will use and summarize everything in a way that it makes sense as a business call. And you can also create your own template and customize the one that you already see. And as you can see, there are a bunch of options to choose from. Now once you have the recorded audio, you can just select the one you want to transcribe and summarize it, and just select and go ahead and click on this icon. In my case, I already did this, that's why I don't see this icon right here. So let's go ahead and access the file. Now as you can see, we have different style of structure for all the notes, and on the top you get this relatable tag that it creates for you. So if you want to upload on social media, then you can just copy and paste all those tags into that. If you have a specific folder, then you can also do that and create a new folder. You can also change the name of the speaker, and let's say if you have 3 people talking, then it's going to detect that as well, and it's going to do 3 speakers, so there is no limit on all of that. Or if you want to share it with someone else, then you can just click on the share button, and all of this option you get here. Now this also has different membership options to choose from if you want more features, and the way you access all of that is by going on the right side and clicking on plans. So as you can see, when you buy this device, you automatically become a membership, which is the middle one, which gives you unlimited transcription and all of those features that is written here. And if you want to do pro membership, then few extra things that you'll get is export to different formats rather than just text format, which you don't get here. So if you are looking for all of that, and if that is important for you, then definitely go for membership pro options. And they also have a mobile support as well, so you can access all of this in your iPhone or your Android, and that way you don't have to come to your desk every time you want to do something like this. Now no product is perfect, and I did found some limitations. First one, like I said, is the lack of USB-C connection for Apple Studio Display, which prevents me to make my setup one cable connection. And another thing is, as of now, you cannot use your own Bluetooth headset such as your AirPods or any kind of headphones. You have to use the one that they provide because it has the special connection to the device itself. Other than those 2 things, I think this is a great addition to any desk setup that you have. Doesn't matter what you do because it has all the ports you will need to connect other accessories, while having AI features built in to record and summarize anything that you can ask for, especially if you're working from home. So let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and also check out these other videos that I think you will also enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.